Think you know Mercury? Think again. Fact 1. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, has ice. Deep inside shadowed craters, water ice hides from the heat. Fact 2. Mercury is shrinking. Its iron core is cooling, causing the surface to crack and fold into giant cliffs. Fact 3. A day on Mercury lasts longer than its year. 176 Earth days of sunshine. Fact 4. Surprisingly, Mercury has a magnetic field, generated by its liquid iron core. Fact 5. No atmosphere? True, but Mercury has an exosphere, a ghostly halo of atoms blasted by solar wind. These aren't just facts. They're cosmic mind-blowers. Which planet should we explore next? Drop a comment below and follow for more space secrets.